सर्टिफिकेट के ऊपर कौन विश्वास करता है। मुझे लगता है कि उज्जवल निकम जी ने जो कसब को फांसी दिलवाई वो वास्तव में एक देशभक्त के रूप में उन्होंने बहुत सारे सूत्रों को इकट्ठा करके और कोर्ट के सामने प्रूव किया कि कसब और उसके साथ जो पाकिस्तानी इंफिल्ट्रेटर्स थे वो गिल्टी थे। ये कांग्रेस पार्टी का ट्रैक रिकॉर्ड है कि वो टेररिस्ट के साथ खड़े रहते हैं, टेररिस्ट को बचाने में लगे रहते हैं।
कांग्रेस पार्टी के सबसे वरिष्ठ नेता महाराष्ट्र में जो लीडर ऑफ ऑपोजिशन है विजय वडेट्टीवार, वो पाकिस्तान को 26/11 पर क्लीन चिट दे देते हैं। कहते हैं कि शहीद हेमंत करकरे की हत्या पाकिस्तान के आतंकियों ने नहीं, अजमल कसाब जैसे आतंकियों ने नहीं, बल्कि हिंदुओं ने ही की है। और इसको छिपाने का काम उज्जवल निकम, वही उज्जवल निकम जो आज तो बीजेपी एनडीए के प्रत्याशी है, परंतु एक वकील के रूप में अजमल कसाब को तख्ते पर लटकाने के लिए जिन्होंने प्रयास किया और जिन्होंने सफलता पाई, जिन्होंने राष्ट्रहित के लिए अपनी वकालत के माध्यम से आतंकियों को और पाकिस्तान प्रायोजित आतंकवाद को फांसी के तख्ते पर पहुंचाया, उस उज्जवल निकम को देशद्रोही कहते हैं।
All right, so that is how we are looking at the BJP has been raising questions, and when it comes to Congress party leaders and the controversial comments that have been made, either be it in Punjab and now in Maharashtra as well, and raising also questions over the sacrifices that have been made by our security officials. We are looking at another controversial comment, and this is coming in from the alliance itself. This is the RJD that is now blaming the Prime Minister directly when it comes to the sacrifices that our security forces have been giving for their motherland.
नौजवान जो शहीद हो जाते हैं, अब फिर चुनाव आता है तो मोदी जी हड़बड़ा करवाते हैं लोगों को। केवल इन लोगों ने लड़वाने का काम किया, हिंदू मुसलमान कराने का काम। शहीद जो हुए ये सब किनके वजह से हुए? मोदी जी के वजह से हुए, नहीं तो पहले कहाँ कोई शहीद हुआ।
Well, we have Shivani and Amandeep joining in live. Shivani, so as far as the opposition leaders are concerned, they want to drag in our security forces, they want to blame the Prime Minister, they want to blame everybody, except at the part when it comes to blaming Pakistan, when it comes to such kind of cowardly attacks on our security forces.
Amita, this is quite unfortunate that the politics is now playing out after the Poonch attack, where one soldier from the Indian Air Force has already lost his life. The investigations are going on. The police in Jammu and Kashmir and the security forces, including the army and the Air Force, are looking for the culprits, and they are defending the borders day and night. The politics is playing out. The Congress and the RJD, they are saying that this is stuntbazi and this is how the government has been using the security forces. So this is a kind of disrespect that is now coming to the security forces. The BJP has lashed out on these remarks. Anurag Thakur from the BJP has said that this is how the Congress wants sabut for the surgical strike, and now it is disrespecting our martyrs. It is disrespecting the security forces, and it's calling them incompetent after such remarks are coming out. Right. And Amita, now RJD's Tej Pratap Yadav has also said that only after Modi became the Prime Minister, the martyrs have been the martyrdom has started, and nobody used to become Shaheed before Prime Minister Narendra Modi's regime.
So these are the kind of Shivani, we are looking at such kind of comments. Let me go across to Amandeep as well. Amandeep, what is the basics exactly that we are looking at such kind of comments that are made by politicians? Let's talk about Punjab and the Congress leader there.
Well, absolutely, Amita. The point is that when the government is trying to make everything normal in the valley, in Jammu and Kashmir, and even putting the citizens separate from the terrorism and making their security forces secure and empowering them to deal with such kind of anti-social elements. And in parallel to that, when election comes, all of a sudden this Congress party is trying to provoke and trying to assist those terrorists who were attacking, and even who were attacking on our soldiers or our forces as well, and they are insulting and disrespecting the contribution of our forces. That is the biggest thing. When on one side, the entire force was dealing with this terrorism in the valley, and even they are trying to wash away the entire terrorism so that normalcy should be resumed in the valley. And on the other side, Congress party, such a provocative statement, such a disrespectful statements against the soldiers, which is actually not acceptable. And even former Chief Minister
has now taken up the issue as far as the opposition party leaders are raising questions, especially when it comes to martyrdom of our brave Jawans, and have been seeking action and apology against them. For the moment, thank you very much, Shivani and Amandeep, for joining in. You're watching Times Now, and of course, do not forget to tune in to Times Now at 9 p.m. because it is going to be the mega exclusive, the Prime Minister's interview.